it's not fair. I found love in me. Say I get back, you'll never see daylight if I'm not strong.
Hi guys, welcome to Unleaded 95. Today we're going to be taking out our brake shoes so we can get a sample, and we'll be going to spares and getting new ones and replacing the old ones. So we have to start by stripping this side out. Everything must come out so we can access our brake shoes behind our discs. So yeah, let's have some fun over here. So guys, for this part I'm going to be playing music as I'll just be taking the brake shoes out. So we'll come back once I have the parts, then I will walk you through once more on what to do. Yeah, so guys, now we're just going to lower the car down and torque the wheels, and then we'll go to our space and get our parts. So yeah, guys, let's now go and find our parts because at my usual spot, they're out of stock on the parts that I need. So now we're going to go to Midas and look for them. We're gonna get a service kit and our brake shoes. So let's go head out away. So yeah, guys, now we are almost by our space. Many people who know it from social actually might know it by Mashamite petrol station. The Midas here, we're going to check if they have what we need. So yeah, let's see what they have for us. So our mission field, guys. Now we're going to Goldwagon. Let's hope they have what we need. Because otherwise, it's a problem. It's a huge problem. But it's fine. Because now we're heading to Goldwagon on the Mawapani side. And let's hope, let's cross our toes and fingers and everything. So yeah, we're just about to arrive by Goldwagon. Let's hope these ones do have the part that we need. Otherwise, yeah, I'm really not having a good day. Alright, guys. Yeah, there's a long queue in there, so no, me and queues do not do not match quite well. So anyway, I'm going to check by the Midas by what's this Gezina. I hope they do have, but usually the one by Gezina they almost have everything that you need on the car. So at least I have some hope that they will have this brake shoes. Otherwise, yeah, because this is the third place actually that I'm going to where I'm failing to get these brake shoes. I don't know if it's scarce or what's happening, but yeah, fingers crossed, guys. Guys, so our mission today has actually failed. Uh, they too don't have stock, so yeah. But at least with these guys, it's made us, Casino. I was promised that they're going to order it today, and tomorrow we'll have we'll have them. So just hope everything works out well, and yeah, we actually do get them. So for today, this will be the end of our video, guys, since our mission has failed, and yeah, we'll come back when we have everything that we need. Probably the next upload will just be the service kit, the service on the car, and the brake shoes being done. So yeah, catch you guys next time. Please do subscribe, like the video, and share it. Comment as well. Where can I get this gas part around Pretoria mostly? Thanks, guys. Salute.
It's